Okay, tell me, is this a gym or a nightclub? Welcome to the hottest new spot in Pasig with the all-new Anytime Fitness Ayala Feliz Mall branch. Unang-una, look at the vibe. It's giving club. It's giving lounge. It's giving bagong rampahan. And yes, sumabog agad ang grinder ko sa unang araw pa lang ng opening. Lahat dito brand new, solid ang equipment at spacious pa. Perfect place to scalp, sweat, and slay kay kuyang nakaupo sa dumbbells. Ang chismis, ito daw ang pinakamalaking Anytime Fitness sa buong Pilipinas. And parang totoo naman, sobrang daming equipments, sobrang luwag, at sobrang nakaka-excite mag-gym araw-araw, oras-oras, at gabi. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na, sabayan nyo ako mag-glow up. Kita-kits sa Anytime Fitness Ayala Feliz Mall.